Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Bethany Beach, Delaware Lightship, buoy 44,009, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Overfall Shoal, Rehoboth Beach, 28-mile wreck, Atlantic City Reef, buoy 2FB, buoy 2 Mississippi, buoy 3FB, buoy 4FB, Brigantine, Cape May Reef, Deepwater Reef, 5 fathoms buoy, Great Egg Inlet, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Thorpe and Wildwood Reef, until 11:45 p.m. At 9:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms, producing winds 34 knots or greater over southern Delaware and southern New Jersey. These thunderstorms were moving east-northeast at around 25 knots. These strong thunderstorms will otherwise remain away from significant coastal landmarks over the indicated areas. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical